Anyway. So does that make sense for the first one? So the second one, they have a very specific word in here. It says steadily over time. If it's happening steadily, it means that it's just continually going up and up and up. It's like a constant rate. Nothing's going to change. Nothing's going to get weird. It doesn't say that it went up for a little while and then stayed the same and then went up some more. Didn't go up for a little bit, come down and go back up. When it says steadily, it's going to be a straight line like that. Nothing's going to change with that graph. So for this one, it's just money and time, the sales, so money. Okay, the third one is probably the one that requires the most thought because it has different parts to it. So it's saying that you preheat the oven, cook the bread, and turn the oven on. So if you're thinking about this over time, so the temperature obviously is the thing that's going to be changing just as time goes by. It's going to take some time to preheat the oven. It's going to take some time to cook it. It's going to take time to cool off after. So if you think about the scenario that's surrounding this, you say, well, it's not going to start at 0. The inside of your oven is not below freezing, right? So we're not going to start at 0. We're going to start up here a little bit. When we preheat it, it's going to be getting warmer and warmer and warmer for a while. But when you use the oven, you want it at one temperature. So it preheats until it hits that temperature. It stays at that temperature as you bake. And then as soon as you turn the oven off, it's going to start to slowly cool down until it comes back down to that room temperature. So you could, if you wanted, add a little piece at the end, another straight piece, because it's back to room temperature and it's just going to stay there. But the idea is you had all three pieces to it. Preheated, it's getting warmer. You baking something, it stays the same. And then it cools off after you've turned it off. So it's just an idea of kind of think to yourself what's happening so that the graph matches that story, essentially.